Hey guys, it's Misty with Mystic GIGI. Today we're going to be doing a Dutch pour, but with a little bit different of a recipe. I'm using 3 parts of Floetrol, 2 parts PVA glue, 1 part Liquitex Basic, and a half part water. So if you didn't get that, just rewind the video, screenshot it, and there you go. You can have the recipe. And then I mix 1 part paint to 2 parts medium. Whatever the note said. Sorry. All right, so if you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, please like it. And if you would definitely love it if you would share it, that would help me out a ton. But I welcome everybody. I'm so glad you're here. I'm showing you my colors as we go. Also, we got the ColourArte Bling It, the pigments, and the Prism pour, which is an acrylic paint, but it's really, really, really sparkly. If you love sparkly, you got to get yourself some. It is, I'm using 2 different ones in this pour particularly. It showed you the colors. And then I add a squirt of GAC 900 sometimes to it, but not always. If you're using a pigment and stuff, and you don't want that breaking up, use some GAC 900, just a couple drops. There's my favorite Prism pour. So, and then little piggies too. If you have, I do have a discount code for the Prism pour and the color for ColourArte. The discount code is Misty Nelson 2021. I'll leave all that in the description below because they have amazing Bling It colors, and then Little Piggy also is a good pigment company. ColourArte.com is where you can get that, and the other one is at FluidArt.co. So go check it out. I do lay my colors down in the same order that they were laid out and shown you in. I lay them down the same order. Let's see, what else do I need to tell you guys? Okay, well, I think I'm going to let you watch. And I already flooded my canvas with titanium white. I prefer the Blick Cleric from Blick. That's my favorite titanium white. If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you want to see me try something different, please leave them in the comments. I'm more than happy to try new things. This one was a request, so I'm trying a new one. Leave me any comments if you have any questions. I'll let you get to watching. Thanks, guys. one gave me a run for my energy. It definitely made me fight for it. So it turned out okay. I love the colors though. The colors turned out awesome. But don't be afraid to get in there and get your hands dirty, like literally scrape things, put more paint on, do whatever and play with it and just make it to, to where you're happy with it. You don't have to leave it because it's the way it is. You can do whatever you want. It's your art and you can fix it. Check out those cells. So I do like the mixture with this new pouring medium where you put the Liquitex and stuff in there. It does make it some cool cells. I will give it that. Check out that shimmer too ooh, from the Prism pour. That stuff is so sparkly. I love it. But check out those cells. There's just so much detail to this. I really like the way it turned out. The detail's amazing. Um, Also, if you are not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you want some of that amazing sparkle bling, look in my description below. It's colorart.com, and don't forget to use my code for 20% off. All the information is in the description below. And don't hesitate to reach out if you have a question. I am here to help. I love to help people, so let me know. All right, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you check out my description box because I have a lot of goodies down there, and all the stuff I've used in the video is also in the description box below. So go check it out. Until next time, thank you so much, guys.